Hi guys, this is Corso, the Review Tech. Today we're going to unbox the MacBook Pro 13 inches with touch bar. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so first thing we're gonna do is start from outside the box. Here you can see it says MacBook Pro, and on this side has the Apple logo. Alright guys, let's open the box. I got the space gray color, so now let's get it out. It's really light guys, it's not heavy at all, super tiny too. Let's put it on this side for now. What is in the box? We got the Type-C USB charger. So here we have the books, shows menu bar, Wi-Fi, Siri, Finder, Dock, System Preference. All you need to know. Here's the Apple stickers. All right, so let's put this here. And here we have the charger box for you to plug the computer. Also the Type-C charger box right here. So you just take this out and plug it and you're good to go. And it has the Apple logo as well. Alright, so now let's check out the computer guys. So that is my computer right there. Looks beautiful. On the side here we have two Type-C ports and a headphone jack. And on the other side you have the other two Type-C ports. That's all it has, Type-C. So in order for you to be able to use it with USB, micro USB, you're gonna have to get an adapter. To download all your contents from your memory cards, you also need an adapter, and I'm gonna do a video on that as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the computer up and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so we just set it up. As you can see, it has my name right there, Walter. Alright, so it's going in, as you can see. Really nice display guys, looks really awesome. And I also have the touch bar right here, so you can put volume on it. See, press the volume and just move this. More volume, less volume, X, brightness, more, less, with a touch bar. Got out of there. And let's press the arrow and you have all the commands right there. Here's how you connect to Siri. Siri not available. You are not connected to the internet, so let's connect to the internet. Okay, so we have internet now. So let's go to Siri. Siri, what time it is?
It's 9:51 p.m. Good evening, Walter.
Alright guys, so this was a quick unboxing of my MacBook Pro 13 inches 2017 model. So I'm really excited to have it guys. I'm gonna start doing my videos on this computer. This is Corso guys at the Review Tech. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.